Hello, my digital planner friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to go over how to clean up our Goodnotes folders. Or we're going to make some folders in Goodnotes to get rid of all of just to organize it better. So if this is something that you're interested in, make sure you stick around and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. So like I was saying, when you upload all of your different stickers, journals, devotionals, whatever it is that you upload, they all end up in this documents section. And it starts to look like this, a little crazy. There's all kinds of stuff all over the place. So what I'm going to teach you today is how to organize them. We're going to create some folders and be able to stick everything in folders so it's easier for you to be able to find what you're looking for, instead of scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. Okay, so you're going to come over here to this little new with the plus sign. You're going to tap it, and then we're going to create a folder, and then we're going to title the folder. I'm going to do stickers because most of what I have out is stickers, so we're going to hit done. Now, see this circle with the check mark? You want to tap that. And then you see that there's like a little circle in the center of them. You're just going to either tap each one, or you can draw your finger across. And so all of these are stickers. So we're just going to keep going. Let's see, there's some more down here. And just keep going until you finish everything. Then what you're going to come over do is hit this move button, and see, now it's popping up with all your different folders. So we're going to hit the stickers one, and we're going to hit move, and look at, they all are now gone. Okay, so now we're going to do this again. So now I have some devotionals that I want to put into the devotional folder, because I've already made that one, but I just wanted to show you how to do this. So again, we just tap, and if you make a mistake and you add one that you don't want, you just tap it again and it takes it off. As long as you've got the blue circle with the check mark, that is what you're moving. And then we're going to, again, move. And I'm going to put that in journals and move. And then you're going to hit done. And it's all cleaned up and makes it nice. Now, I do like to leave a few out. And actually, I see that I did not leave out my planner. My planner got stuck in there. So I'm going to come back over to my circle with the check mark. Tap it, move, and I actually want that back in the documents section because I like to have just the main items that I use on a daily basis right up front. I use a planner, a business planner, and then my scripture writing. So that is how you organize your documents section. Make as many folders as you want, and then just start moving things over. Super easy. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button, and I will see you in the very next video. Have a wonderful, blessed day.